Hello viewers, welcome back. Today's video is an experimental one where I will be trying my hands on some tempera colors which are very cheap and were sitting at my home for a very long time. I never used them before and today I will be trying to use them to paint a simple picture. So let's find out what justice can I do to them. Here I am using 300 GSM watercolor papers for the purpose, and this is the color that I was talking about. These are Skoodle tempera colors which comes in 14 shades and they are just 25 rupees, which is around $0.32 US. Isn't that so cheap? See how beautiful the colors are. Isn't that so tempting for an artist? Anyhow, I'll be using only two colors here, that is blue and white, and that's it. I'm making a rough sketch here. Now this is an underwater scene, so the painting is extremely easy because I did this keeping the absolute beginners and children in mind. So please stay with me guys to see the entire process. I'm struggling a little with the paint now, guys. So I think the paint dries too fast, and it is not that soluble in water, and I don't know what, but there is some problem with the paint and doesn't go really well with me. I am having a little problem to blend the colors. So just to make the painting a little better, I am using dry pastels here. Yes, and let me tell you, this is the very first time that I am using dry pastels as well. So I'm using these dry pastels to give a finishing touch to the picture. Let's see how that turns out. Although I struggled a lot in between, but the final picture isn't that bad, right? What do you say? So that's all for today, friends. See you in my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. And if you are new to my channel, then please go and check out all the other videos in my channel. And please share this artwork with all your friends and please help me grow. And thank you so much for your constant support. Until we meet again, keep painting and keep enjoying your art journey. Bye.